The Ford Edge key fob from 2018 to 2025 uses a CR2450 battery. You'll know it's time to replace it when the fob becomes less responsive or the vehicle displays a low battery warning. Purchase a new, genuine CR2450 battery. Avoid counterfeits to prevent damage. Gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver or the key fob's integrated key. It's also wise to work on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Firmware updates via Ford's Sync software can improve key fob responsiveness and battery life diagnostics through the vehicle's infotainment system, allowing owners to monitor battery health via the app. First, locate the seam on the key fob casing. This is where the two halves of the fob meet. Insert your flathead screwdriver or the key fob key into the seam and gently pry it open. Be careful not to force it, as you could damage the internal components. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2450 battery, noting which side is facing up. The positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2450 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Make sure the orientation matches. Snap the key fob casing back together until it clicks securely. Ensure both halves are aligned properly. Test the key fob to ensure it's functioning correctly by locking and unlocking your Ford Edge. Press the buttons and verify the response.